Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is the place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. Because it's autumn now, we're in September, and plums are out. They're very sweet and very juicy. So I decided to make a plum cobbler for the first time. I'm telling you, it tastes really nice. We just had it with some creme fraiche. You can have it with ice cream or custard or any other filling of your choice, but it tastes really good. So I'm going to show you how to make it, and there are pictures on my Instagram account, which is at Christina's Cuisine, and of course on YouTube the video will be unwrapped, but I will take you through the process step by step. And if you do like what you see here today, guys, and you're not one of my subscribers yet, don't forget to subscribe and tap that little bell, because that way you get notifications every time we put a video up. Don't forget to stay safe and take care of yourselves, and until next time, go break an egg. Ingredients for the plum cobbler will be the plums. I have 8 plums which I've cut, and I'm also using a pear. We will need, so this is for the filling. For the filling we're going to use the fruits, 5 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can use apple brandy. I'm going to replace the brandy with vanilla, 2 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, just to tie up the fruit, to get rid of the juice, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to use also 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. That goes in the filling. And then for the cobbler, for the topping, we are going to use 1 cup of flour and 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. Also a pinch of salt, 160 milliliters of whipping cream. I'm going to use creme fraiche instead because I think it tastes better. We also have here 8 tablespoons of butter. 8 tablespoons, it's around 114 grams. And a bit of, this is again 5 tablespoons of sugar. That will be for the pastry. I'm going to add just my addition to it. It's some almonds, just like 2 handfuls of almonds which I finely chopped, and I'm going to add them in between because almonds and fruits together, they have a really nice taste. And that's it. And you can also use cream or vanilla ice cream or something else to serve it with. We're also going to need, for the very top, another bit of brown sugar. So I will start by mixing the fruit with the brown sugar and the cornstarch and the cinnamon and the spices. Yeah, let's get that going. So there's my fruit here. Cornstarch. Again, this is your binding agent, so you get rid of all those juices. As I said, I'm going to use some mixed spice as well, just because of the flavor. I love the flavor of spices. It's a very Christmassy flavor. And cinnamon. Okay. I got another pie dish because that was too much for just one, so I'm going to use a small one as well. I'm going to spread my almonds now, put them aside, and we're going to start making the pastry. So in a separate bowl, put in your flour, sugar, tablespoon and a half baking powder, pinch of salt. Mix it all in. Add the butter. Here we go. I've used a bit of oats just to cover my holes. The recipe doesn't say so, but it's fine. And now we're going to sprinkle some brown sugar on top to give it a bit of crunch. Yeah. We're gonna bake it then at 180 for about 45 minutes. Just until it's nice and golden. So I'll show you guys when it's coming out. Yummy, yummy. There we go. Ta-da! Go in the oven. Stay tuned. So here we go, guys. They're out of the oven. 45 minutes. And they look and they smell really, really yummy. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And of course, until next time, take care of yourselves.